The first step on this journey is to set clear financial goals. Define what wealth means to you and set specific, achievable financial targets. Planning is the backbone of wealth accumulation. Without a clear vision and concrete goals, the journey can become overwhelming. Next, cultivate the habit of budgeting and saving. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. Track your expenses, create a budget, and save consistently. Embrace a lifestyle that lives below your means and avoid unnecessary expenses. Once you've managed to save, it's time to invest wisely. Educate yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, real estate, or starting a business. Diversification is the key here. Spreading your investments across various assets can help mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. Continual learning is another crucial step. Stay updated on financial trends, investment strategies, and personal development. Knowledge, after all, is power. It equips you with the information required to make informed decisions. In the realm of wealth accumulation, risk is a constant companion. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks, but remember, always assess the potential rewards against the risks involved. Fortune, as they say, favors the brave. Entrepreneurship can also be a path to wealth. If you have a unique idea or skill set, consider starting your own business. It's a challenging endeavor, but entrepreneurship can provide significant wealth-building opportunities. Networking is another important step. Build relationships with successful individuals in your field of interest. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights that you might not gain otherwise. Lastly, remain persistent. Building wealth takes time and effort. Stay focused on your goals, remain persistent, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. In summary, becoming rich is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and continuous effort. It's not just about making money, but also managing it wisely. Set clear financial goals, budget and save, invest wisely, keep learning, take calculated risks, consider entrepreneurship, network, and stay persistent. Follow these steps, and you're on your way to amassing wealth according to your